Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Haute Modesty. Today I have a box opening for Allure, and it has shown up. So if you're interested in seeing what's in here, please stay tuned. To see what's in the Allure box? Well, first let me tell you a little bit about the Allure box. It used to be $15 a month, and there's a big gripe out there because now it's $23 a month. Apparently, what the speak or the marketing is that now the box is worth a lot more. From what I understand, they're saying October box is worth about $220. And so I don't know that. I don't know what's in here. And I haven't even opened it yet. So let's get started and see if it really is worth the hike from $15 to $23. Okay, let's get started. Okay, hopefully this is not going to be too difficult. Okay. Since I've gotten this tool though, I mean, life has been so much easier. I'm still not very good at handling this stuff, but you know, it's much better. Oh, that wasn't too bad now, was it? Okay, so when you open the box, it says from the beauty experts, Allure, hashtag Allure Beauty Box. And so, as with anything else, it's going to be a card. And I'm not sure if there's information in these, but there's definitely a coupon back here. And there's some stuff in the box. They don't pack it, cover it up very good, as you notice. So I don't want to show you it yet. So let's get started and see what's in here. Okay, as I said, it is a little booklet with different information. I think some of the stuff actually is what's in the box. And if I remember right, this is done not in, is it in dollars? Oh yes, this one is in dollars. God, I get so confused between the boxes. You remember the other box, which one was it? Oh, the fashion Look Fabulous. That one is in pounds. This is in dollars, so that's good. So that way I can at least tell you what the price is. So, okay. So let's get started. The first thing I see and I'm reaching for is the new company. New, N-U-E, company, C-O. And this right here, it says it's Tropical C. Does that mean it's vitamin C? Let's take a look. C. Okay, so potent powdered vitamin C is activated in palm of your hand, helping to boost collagen production, reduce fine lines, and brighten skin. Ferulic acid stabilizes and increases absorption, while colloidal, oatmeal, and aloe vera soothes and calms. So what you're supposed to do is 2 to 3 shakes, blend into a moisturizer, serum, or water. Apply to clean, dry skin daily. So what's in here? Tapioca starch. Of course, it's going to have that powder. It's going to be something. Ascorbic acid from oranges. And ferulic acid. And ferulic acid again. It's twice. Ferulic acid. Uh-oh. And then there is avena sativa, which is oat kernel flour, and aloe leaf juice. And it's made in the USSS, and it looks like there's no fragrance. Yay! So let's take a look and see what this looks like, actually. Oh, it's like a vial. I know, and I don't know if y'all know this, but vitamin C is extremely unstable and light. And so the life on vitamin C products is very short. I've seen them anywhere from 3 months to 6 months, but usually never more than 6 months, because as soon as it is exposed to air or light, especially air, it starts to oxidize. And so this one, I think being in a powder form and it's inactive until you put it in some kind of a liquid, it's gonna have a stronger shelf life. It's gonna have stronger stability. But I don't see that, the little sign of a jar that, says, once you open it, after that, it expires in this many. I don't see that in here at all. So I'm wondering, if Very interesting. Let me see if I see anything about it real quick. I think I have time because there's not that many things in a box. Okay. Oh. This here is full size. $70. $70. Really? I wouldn't pay that much for this. I'm sorry. I just wouldn't. Yeah. Yeah, it's $70 and it just says, I have tested dozens if not hundreds of serums and many heavy for my skin, which often breaks out if I go beyond my usual moisturizer eye cream routine. But the new Tropical C has changed the game. So it's somebody who's working for Allure that's actually talking about it. You know, marketing hype. Yeah, okay. $70. Next. Okay, and this one here is from, La Roche Posay. I actually like this company. I use sunscreens by them, and they're actually a very good company. And anytime you see this here, it's a seal of approval by the Eczema Society. This is good. It's well-tested stuff. And, you know, La Roche Posay is actually a more of a pharmaceutical company. They also had the Afrin, which is the kind of like tretinoin, but it's over the counter now. It didn't used to be. And so it's actually pretty good. Their stuff is good. I do not mind having their stuff. What is this though? It says Lipicar Balm AP Plus Intense Repair Moisturizing Cream. La Roche Posay Prebiotic Thermal Water. Dermatology tested and fragrance free. They're always fragrance free because they are actually the you know, pharmaceutical company. And yeah, Intense Repair Moisturizing Cream. It says here, replenishes up to 48 hours hydration, clinically shown to reduce dry, rough skin. And so, and it is approved and accepted by the National Eczema Organization. So I venture to say this is pretty good stuff. And so what you're supposed to do is apply morning and evening on clean skin, fast absorbing texture, non-greasy and non-sticky finish, appropriate for babies, children and adults. Keep out of reach of young children. Okay, so it is dermatologist tested, safe for sensitive skin, allergy tested, fragrance free, paraben free, non-comedogenic, which means it doesn't clog the pores. So good stuff. I'll be happy to try it. Oh, and how much is that anyway? I don't think that's the full size. I wouldn't imagine that'd be the full size. No, it's not, because the full size is actually a big bottle. It's 400 milliliters. And so for 400 milliliters, it's $19.99, which is so affordable. 400 milliliters. Yeah, that's a lot. So, okay. Great. And next, Sigma liquid lipstick. You know, it's funny because I was just looking at makeup by Sigma because, you know, I use their brushes, you know. And so I was going through looking for more brushes, and I started seeing their lipsticks and their makeup. It looks pretty good. I was thinking about giving it a try. Look, how perfect is that? Okay, let's see if I'm going to go ahead and swatch this for you, because I have a feeling, ooh, that'd be red. That's red. Okay. All right, but I will swatch it for you anyway. Oh my God, look at that. I hope this comes off. Oh yeah, this is a very matte lipstick. I mean, you really have to be paying attention when you put this on, and because otherwise, yeah, if you could get it off the line, I mean, you're gonna have a hard time getting it cleaned up. Okay, so very nice. This is a matte lipstick. And let's see, what does it say about this matte lipstick? Okay. Sigma liquid lipstick in Venom. At a time when loungewear has become workwear, a little lipstick can go a long way towards making me feel put all together in a Zoom call. Okay, so the price is $20, and for the full price, for the full size, this is a sample. And so you can purchase this at sigmabeauty.com. I'm going to go ahead and take this off so that, oh my, that's heavily pigmented. Yeah. They're not kidding around here. So I want to give it a try if you like heavily pigmented lipstick. Okay, and next, something I totally don't use. Nail polish. Never use nail polish. Not that I don't like to or I wouldn't want to. It's because I pray. as a Muslim, and I pray 5 times a day, and we have to wash 5 times a day, including our face, our feet, our hands, and every part of the parts that we wash, the water has to be able to penetrate. And so if we have nail polish on, it cannot penetrate into our, our hands. And so that's not a proper way to cleanse ourselves before our prayer. So we don't wear nail polish. So this one's going, I mean, this is so pretty though. Look at it. Man, that's so pretty. So that's okay. It's going to go to the giveaways. And let me tell you who it's by, because this is actually nice. It's called Static Nails. Static Nails, non-toxic, liquid glass lacquer, and Irene. It says this is $16 is what it says right on the bottle. $16. It's nice. Put it in a go away. Go away. Go away now. Giveaway. Okay, so the next one is the Verso Super Eye Serum with Retinol. Ooh, something with retinol near the eyes. Don't know about that. I'll have to take a look at it. There it is. Hey, you know what's funny? In the mirror, the 5 appears like normal, but on here, it's actually backwards when you look at it. Maybe that's why it's called Verso, reverse Verso. I don't know. I just make that up. Okay, let's read about it. Okay, the price is $65, and I'm sure this is not the full size. For $65, it actually is. This is the size of the eye cream, $65. Okay. Yeah. It says firming and smoothing eye serum with retinol 8. Does it have... I'm looking for... You know what I'm looking for, right, guys? Yep. And there is no fragrance. Yep, this is 20 milliliters. There's no fragrance. Very good. And it is for the eyes. And like I tell you guys, I don't buy eye cream. I just don't, because I think it's a waste of money. Because your facial moisturizer should do what it should do. And your eye, even though it's more sensitive, you don't need it. But if you're going to give it to me for free in a box, I'm going to use it. So I'll use it. Okay. And let's see. Next, well, this is a tiny, okay, Dr. Jart Plus. Ceramide. Oh, ceramide cream. All of my creams, actually, my moisturizers have ceramide in it. Or niacinamide, not ceramide. Yeah, they're both in there, right? Yeah, because I use CeraVe. Ceramide, CeraVe. So anyway, so let me tell you about that. Boy, I feel like I'm out there. It's late, so whew, sorry about that. Okay, so this is it's got... the cream has botanical extract like artichoke, which smooths line, and turmeric, which is antibacterial. It spreads like soft butter and creates a lightweight barrier. I like to think of it as saran wrap for my skin routine. Oh, nice. It's $48, and this is not the full size. And the full size will be $48, and this is a sample size. Okay, so that's that. So I'll give it a try, because it doesn't look like there is no fragrance. Nice. Nice, nice. Direction: apply to entire face evenly to retain healthy, hydrated skin. Okay, nice. And those I get through really fast. Okay, the last 2 things. Okay, Wilma Schumann European Skincare Hydrating Collagen Eye Patch. It's a heart, so that's nice. This, I bet it's on a it's nice and juicy, and it's on a like a plastic board, and you just peel it off and put it underneath. But $1 million question here, people. Let's see. It has water, propylene glycol, glycerin, corn gluten, amino acids, hydrolyzed collagen, rosa rugosa flower extract, hyaluronic acid, phenoxyethanol, and allantoin. But I do not see any. It's made in Miami. That's funny. I do not see any fragrance. So it says an intense hydration boosting treatment for the eye contour area with 100% pure collagen. For all skin types, contains soothing and hydrating ingredients, will visibly and effectively improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and reduce puffiness. Super hydrating gel pads are easy to use and are non-irritating, clinically and allergy tested. So I'm going to give this a try. Seems like a pretty good thing. You know what? I think almost everything everything has been fragrance free here. I'm liking it. But let's see if it's gonna pass the last one. Native Fig Pure Mix. Oh, this is shampoo and conditioner. Oh, okay. I don't care if there's fragrance in that, although I do use a fragrance-free shampoo and conditioner, which I have actually formulated for me based on my individual needs. And so that's what I usually use, and my hair mask. So, but I don't know. Let me take a look and see. I'm sure there's fragrance in this. For sure there's fragrance in this thing. Because, you know, everybody wants everything to be smelling nice, but, you know, people don't realize it's not a good thing. Yeah, there's, you know what, there's like a million. I'm not going to read through this right now and make you guys hold on while I try to look through it, because the list of ingredients is like crazy. Look at that. Those are all ingredients, and it's in one language, so it's not like I'm reading in, you know, multiple languages. Yeah. Okay, so that's that. I think that is it. And I want to go ahead and give you the price of that if you were to buy. Oh, that's what the coupon is all about in the back. Okay, so it's it says our blend of fig, vitamin C and E, and calcium gently cleanses and replenishes hair's moisture level while softening and detangling. Free of sulfates, parabens, silicone, artificial colorants, gluten, and cruelty-free. But it doesn't say fragrance-free. See? So it's got fragrance in there. So it is receive 20% off your Pure Mix purchase. Doesn't say how much it is, though. Yeah. So it is what it is. So, okay, my beautiful wildflowers, that's it. That was what was in my Allure box. I don't know if I can say this is $220 worth, because seriously, if you got things that were full size, maybe. But there is, what, 2 things that are full size, and the rest are like samples. So, oh, okay. And if you count nail polish being, you know, full size, okay, but the rest of them are like samples. So I don't see where they came up with $220, because that math does not work with me. So, okay, it is what it is. But, okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I don't know if you enjoyed this one. It was a little bit scattered. I apologize for that, because it's late, and my mail lady again came really, really, really late. And so if I want to get these box openings out to you guys, I have to like stay up late and film and edit, and I try to edit and film all at the same night. So yeah, my day job is like, you know, calling my name, so I got to try to get to sleep as well. So anyway, thank you so much for spending your time with me, and I really enjoy doing this for you guys. And also, I wanted to go ahead and let you know that I am getting ready to launch the next giveaway. And the next giveaway will be international. It'll be open to international people, and I believe it's going to be possibly a set of brushes and a eyeshadow palette. And I will go ahead and reach out to you guys and see which palettes you would like to see in a giveaway, because I have tons, and I'll give you guys choices so you guys can vote. And another thing too, I'm still looking for Shadow Lando. Her name is Christina, and she was the winner of the last October 2020 giveaway, and I can't reach her. So to be fair, I'm gonna give her until the end of this week and see if I can reach her some way. And you know, Christina, if you're out there, reach out to me, because your stuff is waiting. And if not, and if I don't hear from you by the end of the month, I'm gonna have to pick another winner. Okay? And so, all right, everybody, I hope you guys have a good day, good night, whatever it is that you guys are at right now. So don't forget, don't sweat the small stuff. And if I added any value, please hit like. And if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe and ring that bell and select all, so that way you know when I upload my new videos. So I will talk to you later, my beautiful wildflowers. Have a great day. Bye-bye.